You are going to love the 2013 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera, leather upholstery, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.